Yeah. So gone over you. If I'm not mistaken, this song was made in 2002. And that's how long I've been acting and singing for you. Tried to make you love me, but you treat me like a fool. Out here struggling to pay the rent and my light bill too. I'm in New York, LA, New York, Miami, Atlanta, now I'm back with you. It's like being in a bad romance, and now I'm so gone over you. And I'm so gone